Look, there's a whole range of reasons. I mean, the first one is the obvious one. There's a huge profit opportunity for informed traders. And the way you know there's a huge profit opportunity is if you just look at what the market participants are doing. There is masses and masses of uninformed, completely new traders who have never traded anything before, who are swamping into the or flooding into the crypto markets. And they're using social kind of tips. There's thousands of people on Facebook trying to ask, well, what crypto should I buy and what's going to the moon? And basically it's immature in terms of the masses. And that's why there's an opportunity. Because if you go way back in stocks, in the early days, before there were hedge funds, before there was high frequency, before there was all of this algo trading, it was just dead easy to make money with relatively simple systems. And to be honest, you can still make great money with relatively simple systems. They've got to be a bit more elegant nowadays. But in crypto, because there are so many traders who just don't really, have a structured approach, a systematic approach which eliminates the emotion inherent in all of that and eliminates the emotion inherent in the volatility of this market will absolutely crush it.